Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about where you can exchange a successful bounty token in Palworld. In order to do so, first off, here we are in Palworld, and what you're looking for can be found in different locations, but the first location that you might find this is, if we just take a look at the map here, there is the small settlement that you can see here based on the map where you can find that. And there's two people here to talk to. There's this girl here, and this is the bounty intel dealer. And she's going to give you some information on where you can find the bounties. And then this guy over here is the vigilante bounty officer. If we talk to him, then you can see that we can exchange our bounty tokens here to the officer here. And that's basically where you can do that. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.